Ahoy, howdy, and welcome. I'm Wanderin Jim. This is the mobile Atrocity, and today we got a fridge to fill in a little game called Fill the Fridge. Now, the game is exactly what it sounds like. In Fill the Fridge is a puzzle game, in which case you gotta fill the fridge. A little like Tetris, though. You gotta position things just right to get the maximum amount of space. And that's kind of why I'm bothering to watch this ad, to get one more crisper drawer available. No, we did that one. Yay. This guy. Yeah. There we go. Need something more. Oh, perfect. That drawer's done. That one's also done. That's the one problem with it, and that's the one problem I have with this game is like the ads will come up frequently and fast. Uh-oh. Let's go back to these, actually. There we go. Not those, huh? Really? Honestly, this is not a bad game at all. Problem is those darn ads. Okay, all that's left is the Pringles. Oh, they're too tall. No, we're gonna need one of these. Who stores Pringles in a fridge? Does anybody store Pringles in a fridge? Uh-oh. They can't go there. Could they perhaps go right here? They can, but it's not a perfect fit. Really? Yeah, honestly, this is a fine little game. Except for the dang consistent ads. And I do mean very consistent ads. You can buy the thing to make them ad free, and and if you choose to play this, that's probably what you should do. It's actually kind of a lot of fun. Just kind of annoying with its ads. It's worse than some. It's worse than most, actually. But you can buy various things, including different things you can load your fridge with. I don't know. Some of them have different shapes and sizes, I'm sure. But I suppose that's all I really need to show you. Would I recommend this game? Maybe, but watch out. The ads are really consistent, like much worse than normal. So, actually, hang on. Let's just see. Yeah, okay. It's like $3. They remove ads, so that's not that bad. And if you're gonna play this, definitely remove those ads. Well, if you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you wish to see more stuff like this, then you should subscribe. Also, be sure to hit that bell icon to notify you when new videos go up. Oh no. I'm Wanderin Jim. This has been the Mobile Atrocity. And I hope you all have a super happy day.